Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be talking about the best USB wireless adapter for under $20. This adapter is called the EDUP Wireless Adapter. The link to get this adapter for yourself will be in the description down below. It comes with the adapter itself, an antenna, and it comes with a disc so you can install the software from the disc for the adapter. This adapter supports both the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. The antenna that comes with this adapter has three positions. First, there's a 90-degree position, 45-degree position, and a 180-degree position. So the first thing you need to do to set up this adapter is screw the antenna onto the adapter. So when you first open the box, you'll see a disc, the adapter itself, and the antenna. The antenna, pull this out. Then, you screw on the antenna. So this is what it looks like when the antenna is screwed on. As you see, we have a 90-degree position, a 45, and a 180-degree position. So the second thing you need to do is put a disk into your computer's disk drive. So now we will head over to the computer. Alright guys, we're on the computer, and when your computer has read the disk, you want to go into the file system of the disk. Then you need to select the operating system that you have, and then you need to find the file that says setup.exe. When you find this file, you need to select it. Then the setup wizard will start. You need to wait for the install process to finish. It will ask you if you want to restart now or restart later. You'll need to select restart now, and your computer will restart. After your computer restarts, you need to plug in the adapter, and you will be ready to use a new adapter. Now we will look at the speed of this adapter on a 5 GHz band. My old adapter would only get up to 12 megabytes per second for download speed and 4 megabytes per second for an upload speed. So let's run a speed test. So we have 26 megabytes per second for the download speed on a 5 GHz band, and 4 megabytes per second upload speed on a 5 GHz band. So from my experience, I highly recommend getting this adapter. It is very inexpensive. Also, you can pick up very good speeds for the price it is. Also, this adapter is very good for gaming because for gaming you need very high speeds, and this adapter does very good with high speeds. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any topics that you would like to talk about in the future, please comment them down below.